Answer to question 20. So we are given the question, which is option A, B, and C. So we want to determine which one is true or which one are true. So let us start from the A. Suppose a factory has the machinery which depreciates at 10% per year. The machinery was worth 50,000 rand at the beginning of 2004. By the end of 2007, it will be worth 36,450. So this is the initial money, which is going to be the principal, and this is going to be amount. So we want to ascertain whether this statement is right or not, but we are not informed, or we don't know if this one is in simple interest or compound interest. But this is not his interest, it's going to be decay. So and we also have a two type of decay or depreciation. So either simple decay or compound decay. So which means you are going to use the both to ascertain whether this statement is right or not. So firstly, let us use simple decay. The simple decay or simple depreciation, so it's going to give us, this is the formula, amount is going to be principal into 1 minus IN. So this is the principal, this is I is telling us rate, and N is time. So which means we are going to have 50,000 into 1 minus I. What is the rate? We are having 10%, which is going to be 10 over 100 multiplied by time. So from 2004 to 2007 is 3 years. So which means we are going to have 5,000, which is 50,000 minus, 50,000 into 1 minus 0,1 multiplied by 3. So this is going to give us 50,000 into 1 minus 0,3, because when we multiply 0,1 by 3, it's going to give us 0,3. So this is going to give us 50,000 into 0,7, because 1 minus 0,3 is 0,7. So let us have this space. So when we multiply this one out, we are going to get amount is going to give us 35,000 rand. So which means it's going to depreciate from 50,000 to 35,000 rand. It's not equal to this. It's not equal to 36,450. So let us try the compound decay. Compound decay. So the formula is amount equal to principal into 1 minus I raised to power n. Our I is a rate, our n is a time, which is a year. So remember, we have 50,000 as a principal. 1 minus, what is our rate is 10%, which is 10 over 100 raised to power 3, which is the time from 2004 to 2007 is 3 years. So we are going to have 50,000 into 1 minus 0,1 raised to power 3. So this is going to give us 50,000 into 0.9 raised to power 3. So when we use our calculator, so we are going to get 36,450 rand. So which means we can go back to the question and check whether we are having, so which is equal to this one. So automatically we can conclude that this statement is correct one. Now we need to consider B now. B, so we are given the formula. What is the formula? Formula is given as n equal to n naught, which is the initial population, e raised to power k t, where k is a 0, minus 0.54, and the population will decrease. This is true statement, but let us just prove it. So we have our n equal to n naught e raised to power kt. So let us take our initial population as 10 million. So we are going to have 10 million this is 10 million, which is the initial population. E raised to power, our k is minus 0.54. Let our time just be 1. So we are going to have 10 million e raised to power minus 0.4. So when you evaluate this one, we are going to get, so let's try to evaluate it. We are having 10 million multiplied by e raised to power minus 0.54. So we are getting from the calculator here, we are having 5,827. Okay, let us write it properly. So we are going to have 5,827,482 approximately, which is the same thing as, which is going to be 5 million. This is going to be 5 million. So that is when it's minus. So let us try if it's going to be increased. So when we use positive here, so let us try it. So it's going to be 10 million 1 2 3 1 2 3 e raised to power 0.54. So what are we going to get? So we are going to get 171 60,068. So when you check this one very well, we can see we are having 17 million. So which increase from 10 million to 70 million. But when we use the minus here, is decrease, which is what? 5 million. This is 5 million. This is 17 million. So automatically, when this one is a minus is 0.54, the population will decrease. Population will decrease. So automatically we can conclude that statement B is also correct. So this statement is also correct. So we are only left with statement C. So the initial sum is 20,000 at the rate of 6%, and the interest is the compound rate twice per year, so which is 6 months. So investor is going to save 24,000 at the end. She needs to save the money for 3.5 years. This is also N. So we want to ascertain for 3.5 years if you are going to get this amount. So let us try it. This is C. So don't forget that our formula is going to be amount equal to principal into 1 plus I raised to power n. So our principal is known, which is 20,000, into 1 plus 6% is going to be 0.06 divided by 2, because it's twice in a year, and the year is 3.5, which is 3.5 multiplied by 2, because it's a twice in a year. So we are going to have 20,000 into 1 plus 0.03 raised to power 7. This is 20,000 into 1.03 raised to power 7. So when we evaluate this one, we are going to get 24,597.48 So and from our answer here, we have 24,000. So therefore 24,597.48 is not equal to 24,000. They are not equal. So automatically the statement C is wrong. So it's incorrect. This statement is incorrect. So we have A and B as the correct statement. So our answer for question 20 is going to be 4. So that is the answer for question 20.